Okay, in this film I'm going to show you two different ways to save your work. The first way is as a 2D design file. Now it's worth doing this if you are coming to the end of a lesson and you haven't finished your design work. So if you want to save your work in that scenario, you just go File, Save As, and you just save it in the appropriate place, My Documents, give it a sensible name, press save. It's pretty straightforward. Now when you have completed your designs, so let's say I've finished my designs here, what I'm going to do is save it as what's called a DXF file. Now to do that you don't actually use the save command, you go File and you go to this option here which is Export File. Now you do need to be careful when you do this because the default option you need to change. So you drop it down to where it says DXF, you will give it a file name, and that file name really has to be your personal name. So I'm going to put Mr. Keeling. You then need to save it in the correct location. So if you go to the S drive and if you then go to Design Technology, so you go to Design Technology and you'll see a folder which is called Laser Cut Drop. You then will select Year 9 or whatever the appropriate year group is, and you'll save your work into an appropriate folder in that location. But just to recap, the key thing is to give it your name and to save it as a DXF file. Press save and then you'll be able to open it up in LaserWorks.